If tensions between Iran and the United States suddenly explode, would your portfolio feel it before you even notice the headlines? In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you which types of stocks markets usually watch closely when this conflict heats up, and why geopolitics might sound far from your daily life. But when it's Iran and the US, markets pay very close attention. Why? Because Iran sits next to some of the most important oil routes in the world, especially the Persian Gulf and the Strait of Hormuz. If traders think these routes could be threatened, even just a little, immediately start to raise price risk. Oil, shipping, and global stocks move fast. Let's break down the main sectors investors usually focus on during Iran-US tensions. Remember, these are examples of types of stocks, not buy or sell recommendations. First, energy, oil and gas. When there's a risk to supply, oil prices often jump. That can push up share prices of oil and gas producers and service companies, and ETFs that track the energy sector. But higher prices can also mean more volatility and big intraday swings. Second, shipping and maritime transport. If traders fear disruption in sea lanes, they look at companies that move oil and goods by sea, especially tanker operators. Even the rumor of trouble in the Gulf can make these names more volatile. Third, defense and military contractors. Whenever there's a risk of conflict, defense stocks often get extra attention. Investors price in higher defense budgets. Demand for weapons systems, missiles, drones, and surveillance technology. Fourth, emerging markets and Middle East exposure. ETFs and stocks linked to the Middle East or energy-dependent economies can swing more. Sometimes money moves into safer assets. Sometimes it flows into sectors seen as winners from higher oil. Does this mean you should rush to buy or sell these stocks? Not necessarily. Short-term geopolitical moves can be emotional and sharp. Smart investors think about diversification, time horizon, and risk tolerance before making any big decisions. Always do your own research, and if needed, talk to a qualified financial advisor before investing. Iran versus USA is a reminder that geopolitics and markets are deeply connected. Energy, shipping, defense, and emerging markets are often on the front line when tensions rise. If you want more 3-minute breakdowns of how global conflicts move stocks and markets, hit subscribe, like this video, and tell me in the comments, which sector do you think is most exposed right now?